The last question was asked by Jason himself, and as you have realized, in my book Internet and Society, I'm propagating the idea of cooperation as a normative idea. So my idea is that a cooperative, participatory and sustainable information society should be established, and that competition is a major problem in contemporary society. I think the problem really is that within modern capitalist contemporary neoliberal societies, competition dominates over cooperation, and competition has very destructive effects. So what I'm thinking of is in alternative social systems, alternative forms of societies where not competition dominates over cooperation, but where cooperation dominates over competition. This does not mean that competition will come to a full end, but that cooperation is the dominant logic. So a whole new form of social relations would then emerge, a mixture of competition and cooperation. You could call it co-opetition, maybe, and it's hard to imagine what it could actually mean. But maybe I try to give you two examples. So in the United States, you have now healthcare reform is a big issue for you, and of course, if you compare the European or Central and European and Nordic European healthcare system to the US healthcare system, then there's much difference, because in the US you more have a competitive healthcare system, and in these European states you more have a cooperative healthcare system. So what does it mean? So in the US, in healthcare, the free market dominates in healthcare. So it's not state organized. It's mainly based on private health insurance companies, whereas in most Central and Nordic European countries, there's hardly any influence by private companies in healthcare. It's a state-controlled system. So the idea is that there is public access for all citizens to healthcare, and also that it's tax funded, and this means that richer persons contribute to the healthcare of poorer people. So it's a notion of solidarity within the healthcare system, so that people don't die because of certain diseases such as heart attacks, cancer, and so on. And I think what is now happening in the US is that you are more moving with the Obama reforms in the healthcare system towards more solidarity and cooperation in the healthcare system. But of course, this does not mean that in your healthcare system that private companies are no longer existent in healthcare. We also have private health insurance companies in Europe, and people can purchase these insurances in addition. But there's a certain basic, very good healthcare provided also by state, and so in many European countries, most healthcare institutions are operated and owned and controlled by the state, and it works very well. So if you compare the living expectation, or the average age that people reach, for example, in the Nordic Scandinavian countries, Sweden, Finland, Norway, and so on, which are really leading in terms of a solidary welfare state, to the living expectation in Britain or the US, more liberalized economies, then there's a certain difference. So this more cooperative, solidary healthcare system does not mean that the quality of healthcare will be bad. I think that's really an ideological lie invented by the Republicans and conservatives in the United States, that more state intervention in healthcare results in less quality. So just take a look, for example, at the Swedish healthcare system and how it works, and it's really a top quality healthcare system where there's much state control and state intervention. A second example that I want to give you is the search engine market and how competition and cooperation have how competition has resulted in monopolies there. So back in the mid 90s, there was a whole lot of search engines around Alta Vista, Yahoo, and many others. So it was really a competitive search engine market. But then Google developed this PageRank algorithm, which is a very productive algorithm, and then it established really a monopoly in search engines. And I think this is not only typically for search engines and for the search engine market. It's typically, if you take a look at the history of capitalism, for all competitive markets. So there's an antagonism between competition and monopoly. So very competitive markets tend to turn into monopolies, and monopolies are problems because they tend to control economic power. Economic power means political influence, means the power to shape how people think and act. It means the power to influence politicians and so on, the power to influence public opinion and so on. So if you take, for example, a look on the Google monopoly, then you see that Google shapes what we think that is real and that is not real, because many people think if you can't find it on Google, then it does not exist, and it's not part of reality. But I don't think this is true, because there are surely many important information, pieces of information out there that you can't find on Google, and this does not mean that they are unimportant. So Google has an economic monopoly, which is also a political monopoly and also a cultural monopoly, and they can shape the ways of how we perceive reality, or what we think is actually real. And I think this is really a problem, and it shows how the competitive search engine market has turned into a monopolistic monopolistic phenomenon that poses much problems for contemporary society. How would a search engine sphere that is based on the mixture of cooperation and competition look like? So a coopetitive search engine world, how would it look like? I think it would be decommodified. It would not be based on advertising, but there would be several search engines, and they would use maybe different algorithms. So this would be the competitive aspect. And on the other hand, for example, one could make one search engine portal where you could select which of these algorithms you want to use, and then maybe you would get different results in different columns, and you would see the different rankings on one page, and this would, on the one hand, mean that you have competition, you have different search engines, different algorithms that are being used, but they are all displayed with the help of one portal, so there's also cooperation here.